Today, I'm riding the all-new 2027 Honda NC750X, and I'll be honest, this bike surprised me more than I expected. First impressions? It still carries that practical adventure touring DNA, but Honda has clearly refined the design and tech. The riding position is super comfortable, and that low center of gravity makes it feel easy whether you're in city traffic or on open roads. The engine is the familiar 745cc twin, but it feels smoother and a bit more responsive in this update. It's not about raw speed, it's about usable torque and everyday rideability. One thing I really like is the storage compartment, where the fuel tank would normally be. It's still insanely practical. On the road, the suspension feels balanced, soaking up bumps without feeling soft or lazy. So, is it worth your money? If you want a reliable, fuel-efficient, do-it-all commuter that can handle weekend touring, this might be one of the smartest buys in its class. Overall, it feels like a real-world bike built for everyday riders, not just specs on paper. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more test rides. See you next time, guys.